I'm going to rebuild McDonald's by using Scratch logic because my evil clone destroyed it with TNT. So, here I go. Scratch logic activate. Yes, I rebuilt McDonald's. Now everyone can start eating at McDonald's again.
Stephanie Cat, did you rebuild the entire McDonald's restaurant?
Yes. I rebuilt the entire McDonald's restaurant by using Scratch logic.
Wow, Stephanie Cat, great job for rebuilding McDonald's by using Scratch logic. Now I can start working there again. You may go home now.
Thank you so much, cashier.
Anytime, Stephanie Cat.
When Stephanie Cat got home.
Stephanie Cat, thank you so much for rebuilding the entire McDonald's restaurant by using Scratch logic. Now everyone can start eating there again.
And for this, you are ungrounded forever.
You can do whatever you want. Yeah, I agree with family. Thank you so much, Mom, Dad, and brothers. You all are the best.
For more projects, visit scratch.mit.edu.